Thanks for tuning in to Dub World. Today we're going to Bug Jam 2024, the off-road dirt track. I took Ocho, the 97 Mexican Class 11 style Beetle on the track for the very first time. If you're ready, sit back and let's go.
We had a little bit of an issue out here. We're trying to see what's going on. It should be fun.
Vehicles got stuck in the soft sand on the track, others broke down, so there were multiple delays during the day. But we're ready to go.
Carry on that one, sir.
Get a little high up there.
All right, look, getting a little exciting. Tone it down a little bit. We don't want to roll them over. That's right out at you, Merlin.
Yeah. I think this was the spot right over here.
Yeah. You can hear the spring plates hitting the back.
Yeah.
One of the guys broke down right off this curve. Yeah, you know, I adjusted the suspension so it wouldn't rub, but being out here on the track, something.
Oh yeah. Plus you got
really really pushing it.
two grown men in here. So.
I'm gonna have to get under there and readjust it.
Whoa. Yeah, it definitely won't be Hollywood.
I know, driving it by myself, it didn't rub that bad, but it literally put us to a stop.
Whoa.